Hello everyone. Hi Manogna. Hi Arna. Hi Anjana.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi Samarth. Hi Adya Advait. Hello Sudarshan. Hello Lavanya.
Good
Let's
evening, Bhavna.
Good evening, Lavanya. Let's wait for another 2-3 minutes. And
Yeah.
once everyone joins, we can start the class. Till then, open your notebook, keep your color pencils ready, sharpen them if you haven't sharpened. And I had asked you to make squares of 4 centimeter each. If you have not done, we can do it now. So all
Good
are
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Who is this? Gutanvita. Gitanvita, your payment is due, child. Tell your mom to pay the payment of this month, okay? So all are ready with the 4 centimeter square. Just wait for a couple of minutes until everyone join. Okay. I'm just drawing those squares and then I'll connect with my phone. Somebody, did you draw squares? If you have not drawn, then draw them. 4 centimeters, 6 squares you're supposed to draw.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you finish drawing?
No, ma'am. I have to do.
Do now. Just a minute, I'm connecting. All of you sharpen your pencil. So everyone is able to see my screen now. Give me thumbs up if you can see. Very good, Mini. How about others? Everyone is able to see? So if you are ready with this kind of squares, fine. Otherwise, I'll give you 2 minutes, finish them. Put the heading, color pencil shading. Hello, Adya, Advait, I'm seeing you after many days. Actually, all the kids, I'm seeing after many days. So nice to see you all. Welcome to today's art class.
background.
Hello.
Table in a chicken model. Upper background.
Hello, Atien. Hi, Anjana.
Hi, ma'am.
So all are ready? So let me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, very good. Let me also sharpen my pencil. I did few. So all of you take out your blue pencil, light blue, sky blue color pencil, and sharpen it and keep it ready, okay? All of your pencils should look like this. They should be very sharp. Good evening, Kanisha.
Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, should I join? Should I underline with black marker now the boxes?
Underline means
Color pencil, ma'am?
you want to do, or like you want to outline them?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can outline using black sketch pen. Darsh, turn on your camera, child.
Color, we should use blue color pencil, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll teach you now. Just keep it ready. Sharpen it and keep
Okay,
it ready like this. Darsh, turn on your camera. Lavanya, if Kriti is there, then you can turn on your camera.
Kriti is not joining, ma'am, today.
Okay. So whose payment is due yet? Please make the payment today evening. Okay, so today is the 5th. So hold your, take out your color pencils. So color pencil is one of the my favorite mediums of shading. Okay. So why? Because they are easy to carry wherever you want to carry. It's easy to carry them. You can just start doing in a bus. You can sit and start shading, right? So wherever you go, you can start using your color pencils and make beautiful artwork. So today we are learning techniques of shading, okay? Color pencil shading. So in the first box, write down light pressure. L-I-G-H-T, light, P-R-E-S-S-U-R-E, light pressure. What do you mean by light pressure, Mini? What do you think is, what's the meaning of light pressure? Anyone can unmute and tell me?
Putting less pressure.
Yes, exactly. So here we are shading with our color pencil. putting very less pressure. Okay. So now I will show you, whenever you have to put light pressure, you have to hold your pencil like this, far away. Don't hold it like how you write. Don't hold it like this. Hold your pencils like this. This is called under palm position. This position when you're holding like far away, it's called as under palm. This is going inside, right? So it's called as under palm position of pencil shading. Okay, hold your pencils far and with very light pressure, start shading the box. See that your pencil should not go outside the box. Okay, if you want, you can observe what ma'am is doing. She is just moving her pencil forward and backward. Do the shading in only one direction. All of you listen. The main rule for shading is whenever you take an object, you have to shade in only one direction. The color should not go out and shade in only one direction. That's the only rule for today. Okay. So if I have chosen my direction as horizontal for this particular box, so I'm just moving my pencil like this horizontally and shading with very light pressure. I'm holding my pencil back enough so that I don't put much pressure and shading. So once you find there are some white spots, go back and then shade them. Cover the box completely with the color pencils. Pick your direction. Don't change the pencil's directions once you have decided. So whatever direction you are choosing, in the same direction you have to shade with very light pressure. Now this is called light pressure shading technique. Yeah, Gitanvita, good. There should be no white spots. Okay, completely you have to fill with the pencil with very light pressure. Once we have finished all the techniques, I will also show you where light pressure technique we have used. Where we are going to use all that I'm going to show you. Arna done? Anjana done?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Kanisha done?
Done, ma'am.
Adya, Advit?
Yes, ma'am.
Sit down. Sit back onto your place.
Yes, ma'am.
Your setting now, please change it to it's on blur mode. So remove the blur mode so that I can see you clearly drawing. Adya, Advit. Samat finished? Minnie, did you finish? Okay, good. Everyone finished? Adya, Advit, sit down, please. You're sitting? Okay. Did you both finish? Give me a thumbs up if you're finished. Adya, Advit. Okay, both done. Okay, very good. So next, all of you write down in the second box, you will write down as heavy pressure. H E A V Y. Heavy pressure. P R E S S U R E. Heavy pressure. So what do you think will this technique? How do you think we have to do this technique? Can anyone unmute and tell me how much pressure we are going to put for this technique?
Little bit harder.
Yes, very hard, actually very hard. Darsh, if you can turn on your camera, then I can see you drawing, child. Yes, good. So did you finish light pressure shading, Darsh? Okay, now we are going on to the heavy pressure. So as I mentioned, heavy pressure is you're going to hold your pencil here, like how you write, okay? And then putting more pressure like this, you're going to fill the color again in only one direction. Don't change your directions like this, like this. Keep it horizontal. Now I'm again in this, I'm keeping it as horizontal, but I'm putting more pressure and shading evenly throughout the box. See how ma'am is doing? Just watch me do for just a few seconds and then start doing. Put more pressure. I'm holding at the tip of the pencil and then just putting a lot of pressure and shading in just one direction. Okay, see to that your color pencil should not go outside the box. Don't change the angle of your pencil. Okay, and put more pressure. If you see any white spots, just come back to that area and again with more pressure, you're going to shade. Kids, did you understand the difference between the light pressure and heavy pressure?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Keep doing. And also where you have to hold your pencil. For light pressure, you have to hold it far from the lead and you have to hold it close to the lead for the heavy pressure one. Athyan, are you drawing? Did you finish shading, Athyan?
Done, ma'am.
Very good. You're very fast, huh? Arna finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Anjana, Adya, Advit?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Sudarshan done?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. So all have finished with a heavy pressure technique, correct? Next, we are going to learn a very interesting technique. For that, I want you again to sharpen your pencil. You can take either dark blue. I'm taking dark blue here because you will not be able to see very clearly with light blue color. So I'm sharpening my dark blue color pencil. All of you keep your dark blue color pencils ready. Okay. So light pressure finished, heavy pressure finished. Next is hatching. Okay, all of you write down hatching. H-A-T-C-H-I-N-G. hatching. See, in hatching, what you're going to do is, if you want, you can take a rough note and practice hatching, and then you can do in this box, okay? So see here, hatching, what you're going to do, you're going to keep your pencils how you hold like this, and then just make parallel lines like this. Pick any angle you like. So now I'm taking a diagonal one. So you're going to draw parallel lines like this throughout the box. Okay? This is called hatching. Did you all get what is hatching? Drawing parallel lines next to one another. Now, for example, this is.
Can we draw in purple color?
You can draw in purple color, but see that you have sharpened pencil. You need a very sharp pencil for this. So whichever color you have a sharpened pencil, please use that. Okay. Now I'm starting here. All of you look at the box once and then continue. See, I'm drawing short lines like this. I'm keeping my pencil at the edge and then just slowly I'm just drawing. I'm not shading like this. This is not a shading technique. It is just drawing parallel lines one next to each other. Okay. The same technique we also use with your regular pencils, that is with your HB, 2B. Even there, artists use this technique. It's one of the favorite techniques. Now, if you have finished this layer, next again, just continue, just form a next layer and just continue the lines like that.
Can you start?
Yes, do now. See, now you understood how ma'am has done. In the same way, keep the lines close to one another. Yeah, very good, Kanisha. I'm able to see your work. Athian, did you understand what you're supposed to do for hatching? Did you understand, child? See, like this, again, I'm continuing this strokes. We have to keep your pencils and then just give a stroke in one direction. Don't change the direction. Here we are keeping it diagonal. So in the same diagonal direction only we have to fill the box. If you feel your pencil is not sharp enough, then again go sharpen it. Making parallel lines next to each other is called hatching. Adya, Advit, did you try? Advit is drawing. Very good. Very good, Kanisha.
Ma'am, the other boxes?
Other box also is hatching. Yeah. Adya, Advit, who is that? Adya or Advit? Who is showing? Adya? Yeah, it's good. Darsh, did you understand the technique? Give me a thumbs up. Very good. Everyone understood? Okay. Once you finish, just leave a reaction. If you go to the reactions place, there is thumbs up. So just leave a thumbs up if you're finished so that I can move forward. Arna finished?
My mother said, will we do the same thing with different color?
Which side? This one?
Yes, ma'am.
No, we are learning different techniques. We finish light pressure heavy hatching, then we'll go to cross hatching next. Looks like all have finished. Okay, so now next we are learning cross hatching. Cross, C R O S S H A T C H I N G. Cross hatching. All of you write down cross hatching. I'm again using my blue pencil only, dark blue. For this, you can choose any color if you like. Choose any color which has sharp lead. Okay. In cross hatching, first whatever we did in the hatching, right? Repeat the same. Then we have to cross it with a different angle. I will show you. First what you do, like how we did in hatching, in the same way, do for cross hatching and stop. Then I'll show you next what you're supposed to do. Okay. So we made diagonal parallel lines for hatching. The same way you have to do in cross hatching. Please mute. Who is that? Keep the angle of your stroke same. Don't change the angle. Okay. Once you're finished, let me just give me a thumbs up. Then I'll show you what you're supposed to do for cross hatching. Everyone finished? Fine. So now I have done it diagonally, right? So cross hatching is crossing the hatching that you did before in a different direction. Okay, you've already done it in a diagonal. Now just turn your page like this and then cross it in a different direction. Draw the long strokes in a different direction. So you're crossing the hatching work. So that's why it's called as cross hatching. Very good. Adya, Advit finished. Lavanya, are you understanding? So hatching, we did in one direction. Cross hatching is doing the hatching work in one direction and then changing the direction and cross hatching. You're going to again shade with a different direction. You're going to cross your hatches that you did before. Mini is understanding? Gitanvita done. Arna finished? Give me a thumbs up if you finished. Anjana finished? Sudarshan? Very good. Sudarshan, did you finish?
Ma'am, I almost finished.
Okay, good too. How about Darsh and Kanisha finished?
Okay.
So we have already learned 4 techniques. Okay. Next technique is layering. Write
Yes,
down.
ma'am.
Okay, write down Layering. Layering. This is a very interesting technique. Okay. For that, first take your light blue color pencil shade. Done, Atyan? Very good. All of you take your light blue pencil. Okay, in layering, first with very light pressure, like how we did in light pressure, you're going to layer. Okay, so again, keep your pencils where behind, don't keep it in the forward like this to near the lid. Keep it far, okay? And then with very light pressure, you're going to shade with light blue. All of you have taken light blue? With very light pressure, you're going to shade. See that? Be very patient enough, okay? Don't hurry up. Art is all about developing patience, developing hand pencil skills, okay? It improves your eye and hand coordination, correct? So with very light pressure, you are shading with light blue color. If you find any white spots, go back to those spots and carefully fill them up with same color. Next, we need a different color. Take yellow after this. Once you finish with blue, keep your yellow color ready. Layering is nothing but using different colors and covering a same area. First, you'll take one color and fill it up. Then next, you'll take another color and on the same only you're going to make another layer of color. That's why it's called as layering. We are using 2 or 3 colors, different colors and shading on a single area. So our area here is this square. So within the square, we have finished shading blue. Next, we are going to take yellow and shade. All of you keep your yellow color ready. If you're finished with sharpen your pen, yellow color if they are not sharp enough. All are ready? Give me thumbs up. Okay. So now I'm taking yellow color and shading again with a very light pressure on this blue color, which I have already shaded, right? I've already done shading with the blue color, but now I'm doing on the same itself. I'm taking my yellow color and shading. What did you see? Did you see green color developing from mixing of these 2 colors? Layering is basically done to develop a new color from the pre-existing color. Yes, that's what you have.
Green.
Yes, you'll see green. You have not used green here, but you have developed green with the pigments of blue and yellow. Did you all get green color? So that is the magic of layering. Even if you don't have green, how to get green with the pencils that you already have? That is called layering. Okay. Just by mixing of 2 or 3 colors, we will be able to develop a third unique color. That's called layering. Okay. Now we are learning the last technique for today is called burnishing. B U R N I S H I N G. Burnishing. Keep your book at an angle. Don't keep it like this. If you keep it like this, then you may not be able to shade it properly. So turn your book always to an angle that is close to you. Okay, and you're more comfortable shading. So for this, again, sharpen your light blue color pencil and keep it ready. All are ready? With light blue color? So in burnishing, again, what we are going to do, same as layering. First, we are going to layer it with blue color. So just with very light pressure, you fill this box, move your pencil to and fro, okay? And keep your pencils shading direction same, constant. Don't change it. If you have picked diagonal, then keep it diagonal throughout. Don't change the direction of your pencil. With light blue, I am filling. You can take other colors also. But if you take same color, you will see the effect. You'll understand the effect of burnishing much better. Okay. Now take pink color. You have finished with blue color. Sharpen your pink color. Okay. Now, like how you did layering, in the same way with very light pressure, you shade. Put light pressure. Keep the direction of the pencil also same. Whichever you have used for blue, even the direction of the pink will be the same. Don't change the direction. Keep coloring like how ma'am is doing. If you see any white spots, go back and shade. So what color did you get after shading pink and blue?
Purple.
Exactly. You get purple color. You have not used purple color at all. But the magic of layering is you're getting, when you use 2 different colors, you get purple color, pink and blue, you get purple. Now in burnishing, after shading with 2 different colors with light pressure, whichever second color you have taken, for example, I've taken pink, right? With the pink itself, we are going to put more pressure and shade. You're going to put heavy pressure and shade. This is called burnishing. Burnishing is when you layer with the 2 different colors and then take the second color that you have taken and then put more pressure and shade. Now, once you do the burnishing, you will not be able to put any more layers of colors. It's done. It is sealed. The artwork is sealed with this color of purple. So did you all get stronger purple after burnishing? Yes. So what all different terminologies did you study? Light pressure, heavy pressure, hatching, cross hatching, layering, and burnishing. Okay, so with burnishing, what you do, I'll explain once again. First, you did blue, you took blue and did light pressure shading. Then you took pink and then you did light pressure shading. After doing this, in burnishing, again you're taking pink and shading with the heavy pressure and sealing the color. You cannot do any more shading in that area again. This is called burnishing. Okay? Did you all understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Now, all of you look at the screen for a moment. Here you can see an artwork. I try to identify all the color, all the techniques I've used here. Here you can see what is this? Hatching, correct? I have used hatching techniques. So whatever techniques we have learned, those techniques I've used to do this pencil shading work. You can also develop, you can also do this kind of beautiful pencil shading as and as you practice. Okay. See here, I have done light pressure. This blue and this yellow is light pressure shading. This area, I have done layering of orange and yellow. Here you can see I have mixed yellow, red and orange to get this beautiful dark kind of orange or crimson color, right? Then what here you can see I have done some cross hatching. In this area, I've done darker shade. So almost all the colors. And here I have used heavy pressure shading to do this branch. And even this leaf I have done with heavy pressure. This black color of this face of the bird also done with the heavy pressure shading. Even this leaf I've used heavy pressure. How beautifully this lotus is looking. Here I've done layering with dark and dark pink and light pink. Both I've used to layer and then get a beautiful looking lotus. Correct? Did you all like this artwork? Give me thumbs up if you like. So as soon as you practice, you will also be able to do artworks like this. We will learn in our class, okay, how to do. So next, what we are going to learn is effect of light. This class will be slightly lengthy, okay? Sorry for that. Okay, so last class, when ma'am was teaching you the effect of light to show, she used a ball, right? To show how the shadow is formed.
Yes.
Correct. So let me also turn on my phone's torch. Okay. See,
లైట్ అక్కడ లైట్ గా ఉంటుంది కలర్ రిమైనింగ్ పార్ట్
just mute. See, you can see here, it's a highlighted area. Or all are able to see? This is a highlighted area. You can see the light directly falling on it. Now, my phone is kept at this angle. That's why you are able to see a highlight here, a lighter shaded area, a darker red. Are you able to make the difference of how the shade is going, right? From highlighted area to light shade, then dark shade, and then you're seeing a shadow also. Correct? And the shadow is also of different color. Near the ball, it is more darker, and as it goes back, it is more lighter. This is how the effect of light falls on an object. So whenever a light falls on an object, so there is an illuminated area, there is a dark shaded area, light shaded area, okay, and a shadow is formed. In the same way, we are also going to shade, okay? So we are going to, all of you put the heading, as effect of light. E, F, F, E, C, T, effect. O, F of light, L-I-G-H-T, effect of light. All of you go grab a bangle if you have good, or else go get your bangle. Slightly bigger, your mom's hand size bangle. Or anything that is sphere, small lid you can get. So now just hold your bangle steady and draw a circle with pink color. Use pink color pencil, light pink color pencil, and just draw a circle.
Done, ma'am.
Good. Adya, Advait, go quickly get. Tanvita, did you finish? Athyan, did you finish drawing a circle? Mini finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So see here, from this angle, light is coming. This is my light source. So I'll write light. So wherever you're keeping your light, in that area, you have to make a oval. Just with rough hands, just make a oval shape. Did you all finish this much? A circle and an oval? First draw a circle with pink color and light pink color I've taken. Actually, I have two shades of pink and one purple. We need, if you don't have two different shades, you can use the same shade only, but you have to do with a darker shading you have to do. So for doing this effect of light sphere, yes?
Ma'am, we should draw the oval in pink color only.
Yes, in pink color only I've done. Okay. The oval is also in the pink color. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me.
Pink color will be it is a
So I have taken two different shades of pink, purple and blue. All of you keep it ready if you have. Otherwise, whatever shade, if you don't have dark pink, it's fine. Keep purple and blue ready. So like how we did a ball we saw, right? How it was reflecting light. In the same way, we are also going to do, we are going to turn this circle into sphere. Okay, by different layering techniques. So first take your light pink color Okay, and shade it with very light pressure. Don't shade in the sphere. Leave the sphere completely empty. Don't shade here. Outside the sphere, you have to shade with very light pressure. Keep your pencil back behind. Don't keep it towards the lead. Keep it back enough and then shade it with light pressure. Don't shade it in the white area. Okay, apart from that, rest of area, we are going to shade it with pink color, light pink color, with very light pressure. So try not going outside the sphere. Okay. So just with very light pressure, shade it with pink color. Keep your pencil's angle same. Don't change the angle. With light pressure, I am shading with light pink. All of you done this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Next, I'm taking my dark pink color. I finished with light pink. Then I'm taking dark pink. If you don't have dark pink, then again use light pink only with little more pressure you shade. Okay, just increase the intensity of your shading. Again, don't shade again in the white area. Apart from the white area, rest area you're going to shade with light pressure. Keep the pressure constant throughout the artwork. Now, in the mid area, right? After the mid area, you shade with the same pressure. Now below the mid area, you're going to apply more pressure and shade. Be careful. See that your pencils should not go outside the circle. If it goes, then just take an eraser and erase it off. Even in the top corner, just shade it. Wherever you are seeing little light spots, go back and then finish shading. So here at the bottom of the ball, I'm putting more pressure and shading. Did you all see how I'm doing? All of you look at the screen, see me do, and then copy. All of you finished this much? Advit, are you drawing child? Did you finish shading? Okay, do.
Then, ma'am.
Done? Shall we take another color or you want me to wait? Minnie, where are you, dear? Where did you go? I can see fan. Okay, she's there. Did you finish this much, Minnie?
Ma'am,
Very good, very good. Yes, who is that? Kanisha, tell me.
can I outline this ball?
No, no outlining for this, okay? Only whatever we are using, only pencil shadings. If you outline, then the effect of spear will not be very clear. Okay, now I'm taking dark pink, dark purple. All of you take purple, violet, whatever color you have. And then with very light pressure, and you're going to shade again. Above, you're going to use very light pressure. As you come down, as you move down the spear, you're going to increase the intensity of pressure. You're going to increase the intensity of pressure. You're going to do with more pressure. Oops. I broke my pencil sled. Let me sharpen it. Keep doing till then. Yeah. So with heavy pressure, we are going to shade. With purple, we have taken purple, a violet color, and we are shading with heavy pressure. Now to the bottom, just draw a circle, just draw your bottom of your circle with purple color. And if your pencil has just gone out of the circle, just erase that. Right? Then just this circle. Now we are going to this oval with your pink, lightest pink color that you have. With very light pressure, just form just one layer you're going to shade. Okay, with the lightest color you have, the pink color that you have, you're going to just apply very light pressure and shade in that area. In the corners of that, in the same oval, try to put more pressure of pink and shade. In the center, keep it more light. If you've done this much, then you're going to take your blue color.
Mama, page got clicked.
Who is that?
Someone.
What happened? You tore your page.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now don't worry. You just try to draw another circle and try to follow what ma'am is doing. Okay. That's why don't put too much pressure while shading. You should not hold your pencil like this and shade. If you hold like this and shade, you will tear your paper. Okay, now at the corner of the circle, I'm using blue color and just shading a little, just very little I'm shading. So this is the area where a shadow is formed, correct? So that's why I'm shading with the blue color, but see now it's still looking like purple only. See this layering effect you can clearly see. All your balls are looking like a spear, everyone's? Good. So finally, we are going to draw the shadow. Now light is here. The shadow is going to be here, correct? So we are going to just make a oval. Like this. If you see any white spots, just take a pink color and just color it off. Okay. So all of you got this spear. Did you finish drawing this shadow area? Then again, with the pink color, we are going to shade and fill that area with light pink color. We are going to shade and fill that oval. That is nothing but the shadow of the ball that has formed on the surface. Once you've done this much, again take purple color and then with more pressure, you're going to shade.
The whole ball, ma'am?
No, only at the top corner. Okay, just below the ball, you're going to shade, not the whole thing. Again, keep the direction constant. Don't change the pencil's direction. Keep it constant with same kind of pressures you have to shade. If you have done this much, take the second shade, darker pink shade that you have, and then put more pressure and shade in the below area. Okay, here is purple. This area is going to be dark pink. And finally, take blue color. Okay, and wherever just below the ball, you're going to apply little more pressure and shade just below the ball. If you're finished, then just outline your shadow with the light pink color. Just outline it. It looks neat. It looks neat. Even your ball, spear, outline, slightly outlined with the pink color. It looks good. How naturally spherical this ball is looking, correct? Now, this is the magic of pencil shading. If you do it perfectly with different layers, you get a beautiful looking, realistic spear. Adya, Advit, did you finish doing?
I already know to do art in this way, but I can't do things. But I can do art like this.
Show me how you have done, Atyan. Did you take sketch pens?
I don't have pink. Ma'am, I don't have pink or dark pink.
Okay, then you
That's
should have
why.
taken, you should have told me, no, in the beginning of when I started shading, you should have told me. I would have told you to pick greens. At least you will have two different greens, right? Dark green and light green. So if you don't have any color that ma'am is telling, always tell ma'am, okay? That this is a problem. There is a problem. I don't have two different pinks. What else can I use? Okay, just ask me so that I can help you. How about Anjana? Did you finish? Yes, very good. Let me spotlight you. Show me your work. Good child. Only at the corners, I want you to shade with the dark pink color at the corners. Okay, see here, I'll show you. I'll spotlight and show you which my my page. You'll understand. Here, this area yours is little light, correct? So only that area I want you to do a little more shading. Other than that, it's perfect. Okay. Who wants to show? Gitanvita wants to show. Good, but what you have done is you have not done shading like how we usually do. You have just drawn like a hatching you have done, right? You're not supposed to do like that. Shading is you have to like hold your page and then like this evenly you have to shade. Okay, you have to learn, practice shading. The techniques that I've showed you, right? Today. This one, all of you. Again, what you have to do is practice this light pressure, heavy pressure, hatching, cross hatching, layering and burnishing. All of you try to practice. Okay. Who else wants to show? Anjana over. Kanisha, you're showing just a minute. I'll replace the spotlight. I'll remove Gitanvita. Yeah, very good. Again, here you have not, your lines are lit. I can see the lines like lines, but mine is smoother, correct? So what you have to do is take the lighter pink color that you have and just again layer it. Okay, I don't want to see any lines there. It should be smooth like how I've done. What about your this part? 1 second, I'm coming. Show me this part, Gitanvita. Sorry, Kanisha. Cross hatching you have done, yeah. But your hatching, the lines that you have used now are far away, if you see. So only difference what is, I can say is, your hatching your lines should be near to each other. Okay? Sudarshan, 1 second. Yeah, very good. Looks very good. And then what about your pencil shading one? Show me that techniques. Sudarshan is very happy. Good, Sudarshan. Only thing is again in the hatching part, you have the lines are little far away. You have to use it. They should be very close to each other. Nearby, you have to shade. Like how you have done in hatching, no? Like that only for cross hatching, your lines should be near to each other. Very good. Thank you. How about Advait and yeah. One second. Coming to everyone. Very good. How about
Okay, ma'am, I will try.
yeah, good. How about Advait, show me. 1 minute, wait. Who is that? Good. But here, the spear is like, I can see a lot of gap between the two different colors that you have done. Right? So just keep it constant, like how my spear is. The shadow, shade more pink in the shadow area. Okay, Advait?
Done, ma'am.
Samar, please wait. I'm looking at other kids, right? Wait. Yeah, good. Hatching, yeah, if you send the photo, then I'll be able to see properly. Arnash, wait, let me spotlight. Looks good, Arna. Only thing is your shadow is very big. Okay. It should be little smaller next time. Samath, 1 minute. Good, Samath. Light pressure, heavy pressure, hatching, everything looks good. Show me your spear. Did you tear your page? No problem. However it is, show me.
Mama tore my page.
It's okay, show, no problem.
I tore the whole page.
Oh, you tore the entire page. Okay. Why you got angry, is it? Okay, no problem. After I'll send my photo, right? The photo of the effect of ball art. You can retry at home and send me the photo, okay? Does you want to show?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, very good. Very neatly you have done. Perfect. Did you all enjoy learning different names of different techniques? Show me the
Yes,
spear.
ma'am.
Looks good. Good. Only thing is I can make a see here. If you see my photo, gradually the color is decreasing, right? So only that effect you have to try to incorporate. You do practice more. Take a oval shape, okay, outline. Try doing the same work with the oval also. Okay, as soon as you practice, it will become perfect. Kanisha, everyone showed? Athian, did you? Athian also showed, na? Mini, did you show? Mini is okay. The clarity is little not good. Camera's clarity, I mean, so I'm not able to clearly see, but you send me the photo, okay? I'll see and comment. Hatching and cross hatching looks good. Layering, see green color, purple color in burnishing looks perfect. Okay, show me the spear. Yeah, looks good. Very good. For the first class, it's very good. Good, Mini. How about Lavanya, you want to show? Athian, show me. Yeah,
I can also show.
good, Athian. What about your spear? See, that's why don't do the artwork in the regular notebook. If you do it, it will not look very good. So always go do your work in the art drawing book only. Okay, go buy a drawing book. This is just, I think, 80 rupees or something. Okay. This is just 35 rupees. This is classmate drawing book. So go buy one drawing book. Then artworks will look much better. Okay. Did everyone show? Anyone wants to show? Did I leave? Anyone? Arna, okay, 1 minute. Arna looks good. Only thing is hatching and cross hatching due to the clarity of the camera, I'm not able to see, but rest all layering looks green and purple is perfect. Show me your spear. Arna also, are you using regular white notebook?
Yes.
Don't use white notebook. Buy one drawing book, okay? Classmate or any brand, buy one drawing book. Then your artworks will look more better, okay? Show me this spear. You showed me, I remember. Only thing is this blue color, what you have done is more. Huh? So what you all have to do is, once again, I will place the spotlight. So again, take a bangle or anything oval in different shape, circle only, don't complicate much. Take another bangle, again keep it next to this and try to replicate what you have done in the class. Okay, I will send my photo also, this photo also. So keeping that near you, try to shade. Okay, and then whenever you're shading, you have to use very light pressure first, always like this. Okay, don't do like this. I have seen some people are doing like this. This is hatching. Don't use hatching for this. Okay, always do light pressure shading where the pencils are, where there is kind of a smudging effect. You can see the difference. Some of you have done like this. This is wrong, but this is how you have to shade. Okay, did you all understand today's class? Did you enjoy? It was a technique class. We did not draw any cartoon. So it was little boring, but you should learn these kind of classes. Only then you'll be
Yes, ma'am.
very good, very good. So only then you'll be able to do very good pencil shading work. So today, let me just summarize in just 1 minute. So we learned light pressure shading, heavy pressure, hatching, cross hatching, layering and burnishing, followed by effect of light we have learned, where this area is, okay, highlighted area or illuminated area. This area is slightly darker and this area is completely dark because there is no light falling on this area, and there is also a shadow formed from the light source that is here. Okay, did you all understand? Enjoy today's class? All of you send me your work.
Okay, ma'am.
See you all then. Say bye-bye and exit. And those who have not paid the fees, please pay today evening, okay, after the class.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, bye, ma'am.
See you all. Bye-bye, Arna. Bye, Athian. Bye, Mini.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Samarth. Bye, Kanisha.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
Adya, Advit. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Sudarshan. Bye-bye. Bye, Lavanya.